Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Google Tag Manager for WordPress conversion tracking, full guide step by step clearly. To enable Google Tag Manager for WordPress conversion tracking, begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Next, navigate to the Plugins section and click on Add New. In the search bar, type Duracell Tommy's Google Tag Manager for WordPress. Once you find the plugin, click on Install Now. After the installation is complete, click on Activate to enable the plugin. Now, head to the Google Tag Manager website and sign in with your Google account. Create a new account if you haven't already, then click on Create Container. Enter your website name and select Web as the target platform. Click on Create to set up your new container. Once inside your container, copy the container ID that looks like GTMXXXXXX. Return to your WordPress dashboard and go to Settings, then find Google Tag Manager. Paste your container ID into the designated field. Next, scroll down and save your changes. Now, you need to set up conversion tracking in Google Tag Manager. In Google Tag Manager, click on Triggers from the left sidebar. Then click on New and select a trigger type based on your conversion action. Configure the trigger by setting conditions for when it should fire. After creating the trigger, click on Tags in the left sidebar. Click on New to create a new tag for your conversion tracking. Select Google Analytics, Universal Analytics as the tag type. Under Track Type, choose Event. Fill in the required fields such as category, action, and label according to your conversion goals. In the Triggering section, select the trigger you created earlier. Click on Save to create your tag. Once you have created the tag, click on Submit in the upper right corner. Add a version description, and then click on Publish to save your changes. Now, open your website and perform a test conversion action. Watch for the tag to fire by using the Google Tag Assistant Chrome extension. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the conversion tracked in Google Analytics. Finally, monitor your Google Analytics account to ensure the conversions are recorded properly. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled Google Tag Manager for WordPress conversion tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.